You've been asked which of the following is equal to the slope of the tangent line. So our brain is screaming derivative with respect to x. And so we're going to take the derivative. And when we do, the first term is 2y times dy dx, or y prime, minus the next term is just 2x, and the derivative of 1 is 0. And so it's pretty simple here to just solve for y prime, which is the slope, by adding 2x to both sides. 2y times y prime is 2x. And now I'm going to divide by that 2y, so that y prime is all by itself. dy dx, or y prime, is equal to 2x over 2y. And we were told the point that we were looking at. We know that 1 is equal to x, square root of 2 is equal to y. So my slope, or y prime, is 2 times 1 over 2 times the square root of 2, giving 1 over the square root of 2. Answer is C.